Boy, is it noisy in the background or what? I haven't really done much except, wood putty for building foundations and roads and stuff like that. So this is the first scenic thing that I've put in there. The the Big D Radio 880 KDIO. Anyways, let's fire this guy down. Yeah, so it's just a short video, and probably be another couple months before I actually put in a building or anything like that. I'm gonna be trying to put lights and everything, so that's gonna be the next major project. All right, so we're gonna make this a short one. Let's see if I can continue down here. All right. Take her off screen. Is this going to be going the right way? I guess so. There we go. All right. It's the Big D. Okay.